Hi everyone, today I wanted to explain how to start a t-shirt business with a print-on-demand company. There are many print-on-demand companies available online to start a business with for free, but I chose TeePublic. I had tried out a few of the others and TeePublic became my top one because I'm selling a lot with TeePublic and I earn monthly commissions. So you want to go, I'll put the link below in the description of the video where you can click on to go to TeePublic and open up your account. You want to think about a name for your business first off before you do this, because you're going to have to give your business a name. I chose Diane's Tees, something simple and easy for people to remember me by, so it makes my advertising easier. But go here to TeePublic and open an account. You go in here, you'll be able to edit your storefront and set everything up, edit your settings, choose how you want to get paid. I chose PayPal, so once a month on the 15th of every month I get paid by PayPal. These are my commissions. As you can see, I am making money. Today's only May 2nd. I've made $15 already for this month. Last month I made $262. The month before that was $364. So, and this is how many items I've sold since I started with TeePublic. 1,529 items. You're not only selling t-shirts here, you have a choice of all these other products to put your designs on and sell. It's up to you what you want to choose to sell your designs on. You can make designs just for t-shirts, or you can add that design to these other products. Or some people design just for wall art, mugs, pillows, tote bags, tapestries, pins. It just depends on your design and what you want to sell it on. We have phone cases, laptop cases, stickers, magnets. The stickers and magnets can be used to put on your vehicle, on your car or truck. The magnets can go on the metal part of your truck anywhere. The stickers can go on your window or your bumper. They're made of vinyl, so they last long. I sell a lot of them. So you just want to get started here. I'll do another video with how to do your designing, how to design t-shirts. I have a software that I use that's offered through TeePublic, and I get a nice discount on it, and it's not expensive. So watch for my next video, subscribe to my channel, and the links will be below in the description to get started here with TeePublic and get your store opened. It's free, it doesn't cost anything. Please give me a thumbs up on this video below. Leave any comments if you want. I'm always open and willing to answer comments, questions, whatever. Alright, my name is Diane Gracely, and my business is Diane's Tees. Lots more videos to come. Bye guys.